Hi, I'm VickyThomas, and my presentation for the 2021 NGH virtual convention is about how hypnosis rocks with kids. I'll be talking to you about how to screen so that you choose the families that most respond and are the best for your practice. Two is about how to work with an entire family because you never want to be working with just a kid, especially if you're a hypnotist rather than a licensed track practitioner. And the third part is about how to get those medical referrals into your office so that you can work with kids and feel good about it and feel confident. Be looking forward to seeing you at the Guild.